dead body over there.
Classic woman can't drive.
Damn! 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 Where did you get that?
I found it.
You sit on this like dogs fuck.
Yeah, block.
Come here, bitch! Hey, thud. Whoa! Whoa! Lower top. Fight demons. What a lame ass tattoo. Oh shit. My emergency case.
Oh yeah, your mic is on and
What?
fuck.
What? What?
Your mic is on in game.
What? Oh, am I gonna have to deal with homeboy?
No, he can.
Where are you
like,
going?
Logs and shit for us.
Yeah, okay, come back. No.
Okay, let's get the.
Hey, Calvin,
what
catch.
arrow?
What? Where did you get that?
I found it.
Where? So,
Why is Kelvin standing in the distance like a fucking cryptid?
where is he?
Where?
Off yonder.
Oh.
Oh my god.
This freaky motherfucker,
Yeah, I don't like
dude.
that,
He over
bro.
there.
Damn, he fucked him up.
Yeah. What the fuck is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? An arm? What is
Yeah.
that? Oh my god!
It's the wild.
That's a weird
natural
looking
wildlife.
fish, bro. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god!
What the fuck?
They're so
I'm
beautiful.
sending him down the
What beautiful
river.
creatures. Oh, they must be migrating. Going downstream. So majestic.
You're welcome.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh.
Oh. Dark.
Wow, the flashlight is all things but good.
When all three of ours are combined, it does something a little bit,
Hey,
maybe.
nice
if you,
elevator.
If you believe.
Did you just stand on my head?
Yeah.
Damn!
Damn! Damn! Damn!
Oh, that's a cave right there.
Where?
Oh, yeah, right in front of
yeah.
us.
Incoming.
Oh,
Oh.
What have you
No!
done? What have you done?
no! Burn! Our
Nothing,
whip!
Hold on, I'll push you out. I'll push us out. Whoa! Whoa!
Ever.
Hold on.
Do I have medication that I can drink?
Probably not. I don't think we got any yet.
Nope. That's what we
Shit,
caved in.
that's... Was that your mouth that was that wet or the meat?
I don't.
I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to find out.
Exploring caves with my meat out.
What you doing over there, slop?
Shoddy.
I'm hungry.
I ain't no
You
necrophiliac.
ain't gonna find food on the sand,
I'm
brother.
eating oysters.
What was that, pretty boy?
What?
What was
I'm drinking water, you fuck. Where did he go?
Oh, okay. He's chasing me in circles right now.
Oh shit.
Ow.
He's dead.
Oh.
Yeah,
Gamer.
can we take his gamer juice?
Probably.
Give me your boat motor, cuh.
Is that what it is?
Forget about it, cuh.
Whoa. Whoa. Y'all see this shit? Y'all see this guy?
Get out.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I can't. You can't upload that, dude.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, that's no, dude. Stop
Ass
drowning. Come
chair.
check out this chair made out of an ass.
Hold on.
Ass chair?
You sit on this like dogs fuck.
Fucking what?
Ass to ass.
Ass chair, bro.
I don't like it. Lucas, stand up.
Ah. I see. It looks
Human
like a
meat
big
chair.
smiley face.
Then we
Yeah,
don't
I'm
have
just
to.
kidding. I'm just kidding.
Hunting shelter.
Make sure when you are cutting down the tree that you don't aim it towards the people or where our house is gonna be, or else it'll get rid of it.
Get the fuck out the way if there's timber.
What did I just
I ran right
He
towards
ran
that.
into it.
I ran like I didn't even miss a beat.
There's another one chasing you too. Something about this area.
Yeah, I don't know if we should settle here, guys.
Yeah, maybe it's not good.
Come here. Come here, bitch.
Hey!
Oh my god, guys, spring trap? FNAF mentioned?
You should. I can't say that.
Careful.
What color am I? No, don't say my skin color.
Kelvin line.
Yeah, black.
Okay, lad. Is it cannibal?
From the top rope.
Ow. Why'd you hit me?
Don't worry about it.
I don't have any meds, you fuck!
You should hit him back.
Nah, you shouldn't do that. You should not do that.
Come here.
No,
Come here.
I don't wanna. You're gonna tell your boyfriend you beat me.
I think he already knows.
Your brother's not gonna give a fuck.
I had a rock. Stay back. Who? How do I chuck shit again?
Like that.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh, Lucas.
What is this thing?
What? What thing?
I got a fucking mono wheel.
What? Wait.
Yeah. All right, let's get out of here.
Lucas! I'm here to save you, Lucas! I'm here to save you! Run! Run away! Let's get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here! Go! Follow the music! Follow the music!
Hey, guy.
Oh. Are they caught up to us? Oh my god, we need to run.
We ride.
Whoa. No way. Hold up, y'all.
No, I gotta book it to one of these fucking things.
Grenade. What just as angry. Where are you going with that thing? Okay, okay. Oh my god.
The vibe of this game changed.
Oh my god.
So
dude.
abruptly.
God now, boy.
Like, yeah, what the fuck is happening? Are there any caves or anything here? Oh god. Look at her go.
What's up, Playboy?
Look at her go.
Bro, how did she get higher in the air? Take the golf cart. Classic woman. Can't drive.
Ow!
I'm trying to do it.
Immediately proved me right. Immediately proved me right. I'm so bad at driving this shit.
Just feel the music.
I'm feeling it.
Yeah.
I'm feeling it, baby. Shit.
Guess might as well. Hey, God.
Fucking idiot.
Dude, I can be that.
Me neither. How are you doing that? What are you doing?
What?
Why are you waving?
What do you
What are you
mean?
doing?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Me freak.
Oh my God.
Damn, bro.
Slingshot. Slingshot.
Come here. Ow.
I'm just hitting you. Oh my God. I just hit you 3 times in a row.
Should also maybe save.
Yeah. Yeah. I dare you to drink the corpse water. Go on, do it.
No, no,
Drink the
bro.
corpse water. Oh, he did it. He did it. Ew.
Oh,
Ew.
ew.
He drank the corpse water. Right near his
It gave
balls,
me a-
too.
Balls water, balls water. That's such a tragedy.
Long live the king. Hey man, welcome back.
Hey, dude.
So, guess I'm just glad they don't have a cross on this post, am I right?
Am I right?
Yeah, look at the middle. Look at the fire.
Damn. Can you get your fucking forehead out of the camera?
He's looking at you. We might want to go
Bro.
sooner than later. Anakin needs to come back now. You're about to get
Bro,
touched.
he was they are eyeing me up.
The hungry boys need fuel.